not a lot of people know this, but Huskies do not like to be pushed. They don't like to be told what to do, in fact. They typically want to do the opposite of what you tell them to do. It's not that they don't listen because they're stupid. They actually enjoy something about doing the opposite of what you want. Ted, get out of the bathroom. You're not supposed to be in the bathroom. Go on. Go. He's pushing backwards. Even if he was on his way out of the bathroom anyway, he'll stop just because you push him. Ted, no, don't go in there. Don't go in that tub. Ted, don't go in that tub. Ted, Sudha. Not you. The German Shepherds are the opposite. She does everything I ask her to do. I know you're a good girl. I know. You know you're not supposed to be in here. Lexus, go. Good girl. Stay. Ted, go. Ted also knows what it means. He just likes to do the opposite. Ted, no, don't lick that. Ted, come here. Disuda. I have a remote. Now suddenly he knows what it means. Good boy. Leave the bathroom. So he's on his way out. I'm going to give him a push. Now, just because I pushed him, he's got other plans. Ted, go. Yes, you. Go. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You're just a good boy. You're such a good girl.